Hi, today we'll see about rubies and difference in corundums. Okay. This are normal stones which I've kept for comparison, and these are the corundums, red corundum, okay, or we'll say as ruby corundum, and these are you are having ruby on the stones. Okay. It's only very small pieces of rubies are there, okay, but still it's rubies, and we'll see these are corundums. Okay. See the formation that has been happening. Okay, this has occurred in a normal stone. These are raw corundums that are occurring. Okay, and we can see it while we are having a comparison with a white stone. See, you can distribute the difference between this and a corundum. Next we'll see about rubies that has occurred on stones. Okay. We have kept for comparison. Okay. We haven't made any light test or anything, just for comparison we have kept it. Okay. See the difference that is occurring. Okay. Rubies that are in small things, while kept on white stones you can see the comparison easily. So we'll see a difference between this both while it is kept near corundum. Okay. Corundum or rough graded, but its more value when you see it is less. Okay, the scale of endurance is less than a ruby. Okay. Then while we are taking a light test, you can see that a comparison one which is kept on lights. Okay. You can easily see the coloration difference and the sparkling that occurs on rubies. Okay. But while corundum is taken, see, it is occurring in ruby's red color, but it does not shine or magnificent in a particular way. Okay. See how different tests are being made on rubies or corundums, and what is the difference that has been found. Okay. Everything or every occurrence in nature is same, but according to the aging and earthing, it turns with nature of its minerals. Okay. See, when it is kept with white stone. See, now you can easily see the rubies in nature.